Welcome to Parthana and Rao Academy. Today problem sets and exponents. Two finite sets have m and n elements. The total number of subsets of the first set is 56, more than the total number of subsets of the elements of the second set. Then m plus n is. That means this value and this value if you find out. How to solve it there means first you note down number of subsets for n elements equal to 2 power n. At the same way m elements that equal to 2 power m. Here m is the first set. Here m elements are there. Here n elements are there. Now m elements are there means that means 2 power m subsets. N elements means 2 power n subsets. That meaning total number of the subsets is more than the 56 by the total number of the second set. That meaning 2 power m equal to 2 power n plus 56. Now 2 power m take the other side equal to 56. Now in this one 2 power m if you take common, that meaning 2 power m by 2 power n minus 1 equal to 56. Now 2 power n into this value if you write 2 power m minus n minus 1 equal to 56 if you write 2 cube into 7. 8 7s are 56. Now comparing on both sides. 2 power n equal to 2 cube, that meaning n value will be 3. N value will be 3. Now second bracket if you compare equal to 7. 2 power m minus n equal to 8. Now n value 3 if you substitute equal to this 8 also 2 cube if you write, that meaning m minus 3 equal to 3, bases are equal, so power should be equal. M value how much is there means 6. According to the question m plus n, that means m plus n equal to 3 plus 6, that equal to 9. That means in a first set 2 power m elements, second set 2 power n elements, but first subset elements will be more than by the 56 elements. To find out total number of elements in the m plus n, that is m plus n equal to 9. This is the solution for this question. Now see the second problem. Setsu inequality concept. Sets only inequality concept. If n of a equal to 18 and n of b equal to 10, then the maximum and minimum elements of A union B equal to dash. That means sets question only linked with the inequality chapter. How to solve this question? That means everybody knows n of A union B equal to, what is the formula? N of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B, that equal to n of A 18, n of B 10 minus n of A intersection B. That means 18 plus 10, 28 minus n of A intersection B. That means n of A union B maximum how many elements will get there means 28, because n of A union B may be null set or anything. That means A intersection B, cardinal number n, that means 0 if you consider. So maximum how much will be possible there means 28 only. Now, so maximum how much is there means 28. Now how to find out the minimum elements of the A union B? How to solve that there means, here n of A intersection B, first you calculate this value is lies between 0 less than or equal to n of A intersection B less than or equal to, in this one what will be the minimum value if you consider 10. That meaning now multiply with the minus, that means 0 greater than or equal to minus n of A intersection B greater than or equal to minus 10. Now here equation will be 28 minus. So on both sides if we add 28 greater than or equal to 28 minus n of A intersection B greater than or equal to 28 minus 10. 28 minus 10. Now 28 greater than or equal to 28 minus n of A intersection B greater than or equal to 18. This equation how to write that means 18 less than or equal to 28 minus n of A intersection B less than or equal to 28. Now this meaning 18 is less than or equal to, what is the meaning of 28 minus n of A intersection B? N of A union B is less than or equal to 28. So minimum value, minimum elements equal to 18, maximum elements how many there means 28, where in the A union B. So in A union B minimum value 18, maximum value will be 28. This is the question for the sets and inequality. This video if you like, share, subscribe and comment it. If you like more videos, please share it. Thank you.